Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you will learn how to use goal seek function in Excel. So if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to learn how to use this goal seek function, so this video will show you how to do it. Okay, so the goal seek function is used to find out the input needed, okay, to achieve a certain goal. Okay, so yeah, as in this table you will see, this is the subject, this is the student name, and he gets in English 77, in mathematics 78, and in science 65. Okay, now total number he has get in English, mathematics, science, and computer is 220. Okay, now I want to make it 400. So what should he get in, or I want to make it 300. So what should he get in this computer subject? What number he get in computer subject to make it to 300? Okay. So what you have to do? You have to just select the cell where you want to change, or where you want to set the goal. Okay, and then go to data. So in data, here you will see what if analysis, click on it, and then here you will see goal seek option, just click on it. Now I want to change this 220 to 300. Okay, so I'm going to just click on 300, and now here you will see by changing cell, means I want to change, make it change in this. Okay, now click on OK. Now again click on OK. So now you will see that if I want to get 300 total, so I have to get 80 marks in computer. Okay, now again, if I want to change in percentage, so what I have to do, I want to make it to 70. Okay, 70%. So what you have to do, click on this percentage, okay, cell. Then here you have to again click on what if goal seek. Now I want to change this to 70. Now by changing cell is computer. Okay, you can choose any English, mathematics, science, but I want to choose this computer. Okay, you can also choose total. Okay, now click on OK, again click on OK. Now you will see I have to get 130 marks to make it 70. Okay, percent. So like this you can use this goal seek function. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.